Hello and welcome back to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 Kreg tools under $100 that can make a big difference in your workshop. These tools are practical, affordable, and perfect for getting cleaner, faster, and more accurate results. Let's jump right in. Pocket-Hole Jig XL. The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig XL, priced at $59, is designed for creating extra strong pocket holes in large wood pieces like 2x4s and 4x4s. Featuring hardened steel drill guides, it ensures precise angled holes and allows for adjustable spacing by separating the two guides. The jig includes Grip Max material for stability during drilling and a clamp pad adapter compatible with Kreg and other clamp brands. When used with XL pocket hole screws, which offer enhanced holding strength, this jig is ideal for building sturdy, heavy-duty projects. Kreg Quick Flip. The Kreg Quick Flip, priced at $12.99, is a versatile dual-action tool that simplifies creating strong joints using Kreg screws. One side drills a pilot hole and counterbore, while the other features a No. 2 square drive bit for driving the screw. This compact quick-release tool allows for fast and efficient joint making in various applications beyond pocket holes, such as face-joining corners and attaching drawer fronts. Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. The Cabinet Door Mounting Jig, priced at $32, is a helpful tool designed to simplify the installation of cabinet doors. Whether you're working with face frame or frameless cabinets, and regardless of door orientation, this jig makes the process easier by supporting the door so you can mount hinges with one hand. Its adjustable support arm offers 9 positions, including one for inset doors and 8 more in 1/4 inch increments, accommodating overlays up to 2 inches. Shelf Pin Jig. The Shelf Pin Jig, priced at $39, is a precise and sturdy tool designed to help you drill straight, evenly spaced holes for shelf pins, ensuring stable, wobble-free shelves. It features 6 hardened steel drill guides spaced at 1 and 1/4 inch intervals, and uses a 32mm system for accurate hole placement, making it ideal for hinges and drawer slides as well. Magnetic Stud Finder. The Magnetic Stud Finder, priced at $29, combines advanced laser mark technology with a compact, user-friendly design to make stud location quick and precise. It uses 2 strong rare earth magnets to detect screws and nails in wood or metal studs, and can hold itself in place on the wall for hands-free use. A built-in class 2 laser projects the stud's exact location, while precision-centered marking notches and a high-visibility bubble level ensure accurate measurements and alignment. VersaGrip Clamps. The VersaGrip Clamps, priced at $29.98, offer a 6-inch clamping capacity and deliver up to 300 pounds of clamping pressure, making them a powerful and versatile tool for woodworking and DIY tasks. Featuring a removable clamp head that can slide along the bar or be reversed for added functionality, these clamps adapt easily to various project needs. Pocket-Hole Jig K4. The Pocket-Hole Jig K4, priced at $99.99, is a reliable and easy-to-use tool that simplifies wood joinery with Kreg's fast and strong pocket hole system. Designed for both DIYers and professionals, it offers precision and adjustability with a proven jig setup. The K4 features a 3-inch clamping system that adjusts easily to accommodate materials up to 3 inches thick, making it highly versatile. Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro. The Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro, priced at $48.99, is a durable professional-grade tool designed for fast and accurate installation of cabinet knobs and pulls. Made from thick, all-aluminum construction, it accommodates hardware spacing from 1 3/4 inches to 12 inches and is reversible for use on both left and right cabinet doors. Portable Work Surface. The Portable Work Surface, priced at $79.99, is a compact and ultra-flat MDF workspace ideal for woodworking, DIY projects, crafting, and more. Its small, space-saving design allows for easy setup and transport, making it perfect for limited spaces or on-the-go tasks. Equipped with GripMax anti-slip cords, it offers secure material holding, while the 4-inch leveling feet provide the necessary clearance for clamping and cutting. It's also available in a bundle for added value. Jig R3. The Kreg Jig R3, priced at $34, is a compact and portable pocket hole jig designed for creating strong, reliable joints in a wide range of woodworking projects. It allows for angled drilling to accommodate different joint styles and reduce pocket hole size when needed. With 9 depth settings on its positioning sliders, it adapts easily to various material thicknesses. The included clamp adapter ensures compatibility with most standard clamps, making the R3 a versatile and accessible tool for both beginners and experienced carpenters. Cabinet Hardware Jig. The Cabinet Hardware Jig, priced at $31.95, is a durable and precise tool designed to simplify the installation of cabinet door handles. It features hardened steel drill guides that are adjustable to fit a variety of hardware sizes, ensuring accurate and consistent hole placement. A movable edge guide allows for exact positioning and easy repositioning, while the adjustable measuring scale provides reliable accuracy for every mounting hole. Drawer Slide Jig. The Kreg Drawer Slide Jig, priced at $32, makes installing drawer slides fast, accurate, and frustration-free. With built-in indexing tabs, it eliminates the need for measuring by aligning slides and drawers precisely every time. It works with a variety of drawer slide types, including undermount, ball bearing, and epoxy-coated styles. Perfect for use on cabinets, drawers, desks, and other furniture projects. Drawer Front Mounting System. The Kreg Drawer Front Mounting System, priced at $49.98, is a professional-grade solution for installing drawer fronts with speed and precision. Designed for kitchen, office, and other drawers, it includes 7 setup and spacer shims to ensure consistent gaps and reveals, accommodating up to 3/8-inch side clearance. Built from thick steel with a GripMax anti-slip surface, the system offers excellent stability and reduces flex during use. Rip Cut Circular Saw Edge Guide. The Rip Cut Circular Saw Edge Guide, priced at $43.50, transforms your circular saw into a precision edge-guided cutting tool, making it easier to achieve accurate straight cuts. It features a universal sled that holds both the guide rail and edge guide, allowing for easy portability and compatibility with most circular saws. The reversible edge guide works with both left and right bladed saws, offering flexibility for different users. Pocket-Hole Jig 720. The Pocket-Hole Jig 720 PRO, priced at $100, is Kreg's most advanced and user-friendly pocket hole jig, designed to make strong wood joints quickly and easily. Ideal for DIYers, it works with materials from 1/2 to 1.5 inch thick, making it perfect for average-sized projects. The jig features a secure drill guide with an anti-slip surface and integrated clamping technology that adjusts automatically for a snug, stable fit. Crosscut Station. The Crosscut Station, priced at $37.15, is a versatile guide that allows your circular saw to deliver miter, saw-like precision for cuts from 0 to 45 degrees. It features a splinter-free MDF base with a built-in 1.5-inch kerf line, showing exactly where the blade will cut. Compatible with both left and right blade saws, it includes detachable support wings to stabilize longer materials. Adjustable fences, angle guides, and integrated clamps ensure accurate and secure cuts, making this an ideal tool for achieving clean, precise crosscuts without a miter saw. Portable Crosscut. The Portable Crosscut, priced at $15.10, is a compact and easy-to-use tool designed to make accurate 45-degree and 90-degree crosscuts up to 8 inches wide. It features a retractable cut line indicator and a built-in support ledge to ensure fast alignment and precise saw positioning. Compatible with both left and right blade circular saws, it offers flexibility for different users. GripMax anti-slip pads keep the guide firmly in place during cutting, providing stability and consistent results for a variety of home improvement and woodworking projects. Automaxx Bench Clamp System. The Automaxx bench clamp system, priced at $49.99, is a versatile and ergonomic clamping solution designed for quick, secure work holding. With 3-inch clamps that adjust instantly to materials up to 3 3/4 inches thick, it offers a fast, tool-free setup. Precision Router Table Stop. The Precision Router Table Stop, priced at $44.99, is a durable and accurate tool designed to make repeatable routing cuts easy and precise. Made from sturdy anodized aluminum, it features a low-profile, swing-away design that flips out of the way when not in use. The built-in precision lens cursor allows for exact positioning and clear visibility of fence measurements. Corner Routing Guide Set. The Corner Routing Guide Set, priced at $39.99, allows you to create a wide variety of chamfer and radius profiles using any trim router, handheld router, or router table. It includes guides for 3 chamfer sizes, 1/2, 1, and 2-inch and 5 radius sizes, 1/4, 1/2, 1, 1.5, and 2-inch, all stored neatly in the included case. Adjustable edge stop posts and GripMax anti-slip backing keep your workpiece stable, while a large handle offers confident control. That's our list of 20 Kreg tools under $100. If you've used any of these or have your own go-to tools, drop a comment below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching the Chop Busters.